Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the Swift code of the Land Bank of Philippines. So here first of all come on the official website of landbank.com. Over here you need to look for the option of contact us. Now once you are able to find the contact us option, simply just try to contact to the customer support team of the Land Bank. So they are going to help you with finding the Swift code as per your region. So if this method isn't working for you, you can come here on the website of bank.codes, which is powered by Wise. Over here, select your country first, which in our case is Philippines. After that, simply just use the second tab and search for the land bank of the Philippines. Now select your city and it is going to show you the Swift code as per the details that you have added here. Now the Swift codes may vary from country to country and the city to city, so you need to make sure that you are choosing the right Swift code for the international transactions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.